Find log base 3 of 14 using the change of base formula. Remember, the change of base formula is log base b of m is equal to log base a of m divided by log base a of b. If we use common logarithms, that means we're using a is equal to 10, and then we know that m will be equal to 14 and b is equal to 3. So therefore, log base 3 of 14 is equal to log base 10 of 14 divided by log base 10 of 3. And then substituting that into a calculator, we would find that this is approximately equal to the quotient of log base 10 of 14, which is equal to 1.461280336, and that would be divided by the log base 10 of 3, which is 0.4771247. And finally, dividing that out, we'll find that it's approximately equal to 2.4022.